Hello, on these videos I'll be showing videos, photos of problems with appliances from washers, dryers, dishwashers, refrigerators, and stoves. And I'll show you the video or the photo and title what the problem with that appliance is. And I read the comments on how to possibly repair it or the problem with the appliance. And you can go on to look for videos on how to repair the problem. But, I'll show you, maybe something leaking or something not starting. And then you can read the comments on the technicians and the DIYers who are commenting on the possibility of the problem with these appliances. So like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. We get this thing going and kind of help you and possibly be able to repair it yourself, or know that, hey, this is a little too technical. I need a appliance person to step in. Let's get started. Hello. So I purchased a Speed Queen TR7 washer. I like the machine, however, I noticed that it just doesn't clean well. Stains, dirt, etc. I figured out how to bypass the lid lock so I can see how it's washing. Is this normal? And no, it's not overloaded. Even if I put 4 shirts in, everything floats to the top, making it look full. The clothes don't seem to move much. Here are the comments. Victor, looks like inner tub is moving. Steven, heck, if you like a washer that doesn't clean well, I've got a shop full of them that'll probably cause you orgasm right away. Okay. Kristen, the TR series washing machines work by pushing the water through the clothes instead of beating the clothes through the water. You will not see the clothes wildly moving through the water for this reason. I hope this helps. Vladimir, try warm/hot wash temperature and normal wash cycle. Blake, yes, that is normal for the TR models. You're right, it doesn't clean well, especially really dirty ground in dirt and grease. The TC models are the classic models and do a much better job of cleaning. TC models lock the basket and the agitator does the work. The TR models, that model moves the whole drum and stops the drum from rotating and expects the clothes to keep moving when the drum stops to hit the agitator to turn over. Your model is a good, long-lasting machine, but it doesn't clean as good as you would hope. Jonathan, this is normal, but it will last 20 years. The amount of money you paid for that, you could have bought 3 Whirlpool washers that clean better. Gilbert, this TR7 design pushes the water through the clothes and is gentler and quieter. It's a different method. The TC7 pushes to clothes through the water like the old-fashioned machines. Gilbert, what detergent are you using? Shannon, select heavy-duty cycle. Perm press is more for hang drying and is unnecessary if clothes are going into a dryer. Use autofill. This adjusts the water so clothes rub together to create a friction and avoid cold water wash. You wouldn't wash greasy dishes in cold and expect grease and food to dissolve. Use good quality detergent like the Tide, Persil, Kirkland, or Sam's Club detergent in the orange bottle. Lastly, add detergent to the tub first and then load heavier soil-stained clothes first where the agitator veins are the largest, creating the most turbulence and friction. Load light soiled items at the top. This should give better results. I have a TR7 and like the fact that clothes are not worn out with rough agitation. If something is stained, just pre-treat before loading. Christine, do not use the normal echo cycle. It is a cold wash and rinse and showers on the laundry on the rinse cycle. Look at the booklet that came with the washer. On page 4, it has a breakdown of special cycles you could be taking advantage of. This is a fabulous washer. Paul, you have it on permanent press for casual clothes. Let's see, Cody, normal. If you wanted a Speed Queen that will wash better, you need a classic series machine with a transmission. Andy, welcome to the world of modern washing machines. Matt, that's how it works poorly. Eric, that washer doesn't have a transmission. Needless to say, it doesn't clean very well. Johnny, 2/3 to 3/4 of a load, and do not use generic soap. HE2 tablespoons max. John, use the auto setting for water level. Use only 2 tablespoons of detergent. Never use normal echo setting. Cheryl, I agree that the machine sucks. I bought one a few months ago and the clothes remain dirty. I'm going to get rid of it. What a waste of money. That's it for the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you have any answers to the problem, you're welcome to give an input. And if you have any questions, that's fine also. Have a good one.